Hi friends, I'm N2. Welcome back to N1 N2 tutorial. Today we are going to learn addition and this is my episode 1. And in episode 1 we are going to learn about HTO, hundreds, tens and ones. So let's start. So here I have some sums written for you, and hundreds, tens, ones are the houses and tens, ones are the houses. So the difference between both are, this is the tens and ones and this is the hundreds, tens, ones. So we are just adding hundreds, tens and ones. As you can see here, I have written here hundreds, tens and ones is our topic in addition for today. So let's start. Now here we are going to, just a minute, we are going to add. So it's 418 plus 80, 412 plus 80. So we cannot add such a big number together. Of course we can add it, but this is my episode 1 and I will teach you how to break the numbers and add it. So this is 2, this is 0. So if we have 2 chocolates with us and nothing more, so the answer will be 2. Let's come to the tens column. Here is 1 plus 8. So imagine that you have 1 candy plus 8 candies. So we will count from 8 and we'll add 1. So 8 plus 1 will be 9. Now let's go to the hundreds column. Here we don't have anything written here, so your answer will only be 4. That you imagine that you have 4 toffees and no more. So the answer will be 4. So here we have the answer as 492. 492. So see how we got the answer. And now that this sum we had done, this was number 1. And now we are going to move on to sum number 2. Here we are only taking the tens and ones column. So you have 2 pencils plus 2 pencils, and that will equal 4 pencils. This will be the ones column answer. And now we come to the tens column. Here it will be like, imagine that you have 7 pens and you have bought a new pen. So it's only 1 pen you have bought. So 7 plus 1 will be 8. So your answer will be 84. Now let's move on to the third sum. And I am telling you that this is my episode 1 in which I am just including HTO. You can watch the next episode to know more, but for now we are doing sum number 3. Let's start. In the ones column we have written 4 plus 2. Okay, so 4 plus 2 will be 6. If you see 4 trees at one park and 2 more trees, and then at that same park in another spot, then you will add the trees. So 4 trees plus 2 trees equals 6 trees. This will be the answer for the ones house of sum number 3. Let's move to the tens house of sum number 3. 2 books plus 1 book equals 3 books. And now we are going to move to sum number 3, hundreds house. And now there is 3, as I told you in the previous sum also, if we have empty column, nothing downwards to add, so we will only write the one which is up. So we are going to write here 3. So our answer will be 3, 3, 6. Hundreds column will come 3, tens will be 3 and ones will be 6. So 336 the answer for sum number 3. Let's move on to sum number 4, in which we have tens house and ones house. There is no hundreds house in this sum. Let's do. We have 6 plus 7. So this is a bit tough for you because those were a bit easy, in which we were not doing carryover. So here we have to do carryover. 6 chocolates plus 7 chocolates. So first I am going to add 6 plus 6, which equals 12, and then that one you have to keep aside. 6 plus 6 equals to 12 and 12 plus 1 equals to 13. So the 3 will come here and 1 will be carried over with 2. And in my ones house the answer is 13, but we have written 3 here and 1 is carried. In the tens house, now it's 8 plus 2 equals 10. And 10 plus 1 equals 11. So our answer will be 113. It's 113. 113 is the answer for sum number 4. Please like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching.